So I just finished rebuilding the Woodford 17 inside guts, and I was attaching and reattaching my hose several times, and I remember seeing the videos online where people's hose connectors freeze on there and they just will not come off. So I went around to all of my exterior outside. I'm in my garage right now, looking at all my hose bibs, and guess what? That sumbitch right there is on pretty damn tight. And we got hard water. I've got a water softener that comes through my hot water, so my hot water is good. It's good for washing the cars. This here, the cold water, is not. So that could be some of the pollutants and crap I got in there. And let's see if this just comes off pretty easy, which I'm not. Oh, there you go. It was just a little bit tight. Ooh. Oh, going inside deeper on that. I don't want to do that just yet. What I need to do is get on that right there and a bigger channel locks on that. I mean, this could not be more original, showing you my own problemos, right? Okay, so that goes in like that, and this right here should, there we go. There we go. So I'm going to show you how to prevent this from ever happening again. This stuff right here. Oops, am I too bright? Silicone grease. I'll put a link in the description. It's cheap. You can find it at any local hardware store, and Amazon delivers it. But it's not much. But here's all you do. You don't need much. That might be, that's smaller than a pea, I'm guessing. Can you see that? Smaller than a pea. That's more like a big sunflower seed. How's that? A little bit on both sides on the thread, because when you screw something on there, it's going to spread it around inside the threads. Do it at like 2 to 3 different places. Wipe your finger off on there. Now don't fret at the cost of this when you go to the store to buy it. A little bit goes a long way. It'll last you, seriously, 10, 20 years. I guarantee you, you'll lose it before you run out of it. I also use the same stuff on the zippers of my camping tents, my ground top tents. When they start to get dirty and sticky, that's it. That's all you gotta do, stick that on there now. So now, you've got a nice thin layer of that silicone in the threads. Nothing's going to get in there. Nothing's going to corrode it. And this is what it's for. You're going, what? What do you mean that's what it's for? Not good for you, but anyways, you'll see it when you look at it online. Used as a lubricant on faucets and valve stems, including those with ceramic disc cartridges. So you can use this on the insides of your plumbing too. Any place you need a grease. And after you run a garden hose for 10 minutes, anything that's up here is gone. It's wiped through, it's gone. There's no more remnants, or trace contents of it. So I don't want to see any of those comments. All right, give me a thumbs up. I'm out of here. See ya.